Good morning, fellow gardeners! Welcome back to another episode on the self-sufficient series. Today I'm going to show you how you can regrow basil from seeds, and it really doesn't matter which kind of basil, if it's purple basil, the regular green basil, or all the other variants of basil. It works the same no matter how you do it. And regrowing basil using seeds is just one of the two natural ways to cultivate basil in your own garden. The other method will also be presented on the self-sufficient series, so definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more videos, and also you can find the Self-Sufficient Me series playlist down there in the description. And now, enjoy the video. I'm going to see you at the very end of the video, where I'm going to tell you how you can, just from one initial seed of basil, if it blooms, regrow basil up until the end of your life. And also enjoy the growth process of the little plants. See you later. No matter where you've got your seeds from, be it from a big box store or your own plants, we will begin by dropping some of them onto soil. I'm using my own seeds here, by the way, that I have gathered in the previous year from my large leaf basil. And once done, don't forget to water those tiny ones properly. Speaking of watering, you should keep the seeds rather moist for the first 1 to 2 weeks. And if you do so, you will be rewarded with the first few plants already stretching their necks towards sunlight. Now it's simply a matter of waiting. We want the plants to grow to a height of around 3 to 4 centimeters before introducing them to Mother Nature. If you don't want to plant them in your garden though, you might as well just leave them growing in the original pot. The outcome will be completely the same. After the first 3 to 5 weeks, we can see some serious progress, with the basil being nearly 2 centimeters tall. Now it's almost time for us to take them to the big planting bed. Make sure to look for a bright and sunny place. Basil loves high temperatures and sunshine. The more light it gets, the more aromatic the leaves will taste. Once they have reached the aforementioned height, we will take the small seedlings out of the pot and very carefully separate the plants and their roots. This is best done by shaking the basil until the roots untangle all by themselves. And once planted, water them quite frequently. The roots are still fragile and have a hard time adjusting to the new environment, so let's make it easy on them and provide them with a lot of moisture, such that they don't dry out and wither away. And now we wait. Once the leaves have grown to an adequate size, you can finally enjoy your delicious food enhancers. At this point, you might notice that a very strange looking seed compartment has grown out of the basil's crown. At first it blooms for a few days, and once those flowers wither, the seeds will start growing in there. When are the seeds ready to be gathered, you might ask? The plant will signalize that it's ready when the seed stalk has withered away, looking like it has lost all its freshness, you might say. Once the stage has been reached, the seeds tend to drop down towards the earth all by themselves. Now, to gather the wannabe basil, all you have to do is strip the twig off all its seeds using your fingers. They are already dry and ready to go, so let's get to gardening. And this right here is our final growth progress of the first seedlings that we have planted, and they are looking pretty fine. You can see this is where the seeds are being stored, and now you can regrow basil up until the end of your life, as mentioned before. And this already concludes today's episode on the Self-Sufficient series, and I hope you did enjoy what you have seen today. Basil is seriously delicious, and everyone should have it available at their garden in some kind of way. It tastes seriously good, and it's a great ingredient if you love eating mozzarella and also tomatoes, or if you just love to bake pizza. It's a great ingredient, and it's super easy to cultivate. Like, the success rate is about 100%, if I may say so myself, using seeds. It's a seriously reliable method, and this is why you should also try it out for yourself. Also, you're going to get free basil up until the end of your life due to the seeds growing from the plant. It's a great deal, and you should definitely consider trying it out in your own garden. And I hope you did enjoy what you have seen today, and if you did, why not make sure to subscribe to the channel for more self-sufficient me content. And also, I'm doing woodworking mainly on this channel here, by the way. So if you are into DIY projects and all this crazy stuff, then definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. You found the right place to stay on YouTube. And other than that, don't forget to check out my shop for handcrafted products, damage.eu, link down there in the description. And up until next video, I'm wishing you guys a flammable day. Ciao!